is complete. For some reason, every morning when I just finish working out, there's always this sense of fulfillment that I feel, which is very nice. I've already completed a certain task of my day. I don't know about you guys, but it feels really good, and that's one of the things, that's one of the reasons that made me move my workouts from like in the evenings to the mornings. So what's going on for me today is exercise, which I just did. Then after that, obviously my morning smoothies. Then I'm going to take a shower and do my morning skincare, then go to work. And after work, I have plans to go shopping for Christmas, so Christmas shop with me. And then after that, it's just a chill evening. I have to read, do my journal, and obviously end the day with drinking water. So that's a very easy day for me, and I'll see you guys soon. Hey guys, I just got done with my morning activities and I have like a few minutes to spare before going to work. Go at 10. I just wanted to talk real quick about Christmas movies on Netflix. If you guys are watching Christmas movies on any other platform, please let me know. But I've been usually watching them on Netflix, and I feel like all of the ones, especially the rom-com ones or like the regular romantic ones, they're all cliche. Is that just the vibe for like every Christmas movie? Like you can tell, oh, these people are going to fall in love, or this is going to happen. Like it just sounds like at this point like a Nigerian movie, no offense. But anyways, if you guys have any like highly recommended Christmas movies, please let me know in the comment section, because I'm also looking for more recommendations, and I'll definitely see you guys after work.
More moments later.
I am so confused. Oh my god, I like this one. I also like this one, but it's not as tall, because I kind of want a tall tree, but I like that the dimension is really good. This one I like. This one I like. And the best thing about this one is the height is tall and it's not very, it's kind of skinny, and I like the pine. So how do they call this? The branches. It's a nice pine tree and the branches are really cool. I don't know if the lighting is good. I don't know if I'll need more lighting, but we'll find out. I also really like this one. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. And I like the snow thing. I hope I can get like a fake snow. All of the trees are really good. I really like them, and especially the pretty ones that have different color lights. versus like just the regular lights. They're able to change the lights. This is the tree that we already have at home. I love these trees. Oh my god. I don't know which one I would take. Should have come prepared. I should have thought about it. Apparently what you see is what you get, and they have been almost sold out with most of the trees. So this is all they have, the ones on the wall. And I'll probably just grab the T66, which is like the tallest one that I have seen here. Can he enter?
Oh, sure.
I appreciate it. The tree, yeah, I did. Thank you. Talking about real trees, I think of all the trees, this is the one. It looked like a real tree that I was going for height, and I took the longest. Team lifts. I guess I'm gonna have to need help. Yeah, I like it.
Because the ones that I have in the book, when they start, it looks beautiful.
I like it. I appreciate it. Absolutely. Okay. I am tired. I am very tired. I just came back from the stores and I thought I was going to be able to do the haul, but I think I'll just do the haul video tomorrow when I'm putting up the decorations. So I'll see you guys tomorrow when I'm putting up the decorations. And I just want to finish the rest of my night routine. That way I'm able to still relax before going to bed and edit the video for tomorrow. So we'll see how that goes. All right, guys. See you later.
The next morning.
It's day 3. Good morning, guys. Ignore my dirty mirror, but I'm about to exercise because it's Vlogmas day 3 and I'm actually running out of time, so I won't be able to like set up my camera when I'm exercising. So you guys will probably just see me after that. But I hope you guys find time to exercise as well. I'll see you guys later.
Moments later.
So I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but I do see some frosting, and it's just a little bit though. It's been over 30 minutes. It's been like 45 to an hour, if not more. And I do see a little bit of the frosting. I'm just not satisfied with how it looks. So I don't know, man. I really don't know if I should like double up the layers, or like just go to the store and find another one, or just, you know, never mind it this year. Maybe, you know, try the thingy to next year, because I really am running out of time and patience at this point. But I will probably just never mind this year, to be honest, and just put up the tree and decorate it. But I tried. The craft room is a little bit dirty. I have to clean it up real quick. This is how the pillows came out. The pillow, I just realized that it was not this particular fabric, and this is the only fabric I found at, and it was actually the most expensive one from the pillows. They were all the same fabric basically, but this one was like the larger one for the pillows downstairs. And I guess they're not really good with heat, because like heat changed the colors. I don't know if it's very visible on camera. But yeah, this is the final product. I'm really proud of how everything turned out. I will be probably, oh, this wood sign is not quite done yet. I still have something that's downstairs that I want to put up on here, but like up this part. But I'm actually really proud of how it turned out. Like, happy holidays. I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Yeah, I'll finally just insert pictures of the final products and I'll be done for the evening. I just want to wind down and take it easy because it's been about 3 hours. Let me see. Yeah, it's been 2 to 3 hours doing this project and yeah, it's taken a lot of my evening, so I just want to go relax now. I'll see you guys tomorrow if I don't get to talk to you. I'm just laying down here, cozying up in the blanket, and I'm trying to finish this book. I think I'm going to finish within the next 30 to 45 minutes. It took me 2 days to finish this book, and that's exactly what I expected or anticipated. And I think that's going to be it for the night. I'm just going to wrap up and do some journaling and some mindfulness, and I'm really good to go. I also wanted to show you guys something real quick. Ta-da! Somebody's done. I actually got done with my half gallon of water at like 6 p.m. today, and I have actually been drinking other cups of water. There's one cup sitting down there waiting for me, and I've done a good job so far. I mean, this is not a new habit that I am practicing. It's something that I've practiced for the last couple months, so it's not something that's very difficult for me. I just also wanted to ask you guys and remind you guys, ask you first, have you drunk water today? How much water did you drink? And also remind you to drink a lot of water in case you haven't done so already. But good night, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow.